Mukomana namajarajaro zobuda zvitaura masviko achiti aiwa the Mafidi Dynasty it is now taking shape after aona a shocking headline nobuda nyogwa mashoko richinzi a contentious bid to extend President Emerson Mnangagwa's term beyond 2028 is gaining momentum, with some ZANU-PF structures actively seeking nationwide support for the plan. The Zimbabwe Independence Day this week. Sanapela mashoko aiwa ari shocking wazva kuona kuti aiwa nawe kuplota to 2030 zvainenge yatova a success vachiona kuti aiwa they are mobilizing and paving way zviri kushamisa zviri mysterious munyika yeZimbabwe. Uri subscribe like on the bell like TV panapa unomobile pamuchidzi. The plot to stretch the president's constitutional tenure comes as factionalism simmers in a ZANU-PF, with the Mnangagwa loyalists reportedly squaring up against those said to have coalesced around Vice President Constantine Chiwenga. Mnangagwa's constitutionally mandated tenure is supposed to end in 2028 with the completion of his second and final term in office. ZANU-PF spokesperson Chris Muchangwa told the Independence this week affiliates plan to promote the 2030 agenda would involve advertising Mnangagwa's achievements since he assumed office in 2017. The party is preparing for the eventuality of implementing the 2030 resolution, Muchangwa said. This entails mass awareness of the sterling record of President Emerson Mnangagwa as a deliverer of rare caliber statesmanship. At the end of the day, the party membership works for praise and hopes for resonance with the all-important electorate. Tomashikwana mureta kwanana Muchangwa panguva ino itiona kuti aiwa ndo vamwe vari kupusha the bid kuti aiwa vaatene this 2030 agenda vachitaura mashoko kuti they are thwarting each and every person anowanikwa ari loyalist kuna VP kana kuti achimisa kana kudeny the 2030 agenda. Tudze mafungiro enyu motodiwa pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Nda comment section medu, subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.